How to pronounce Louis Vuitton perfectly. Is there a word that makes you feel like you're trying to speak a different language? This one is a super popular one, but it trips up so many people. Let's fix that. The Louis Vuitton breakdown. The word is Louis Vuitton, and the correct way to say it is Louis Vuitton. Let's break it down into two parts. Louis. This part is pronounced Louis. Think of the name Louis, like the famous jazz musician. Louis Armstrong. The S is completely silent. Vuitton. This part is pronounced Vuitton. The vui sounds like V, and the ton sounds like ton, like the color tan, with a W sound in the middle. The O and N combine to make a sound similar to on, but with a slight nasal quality. The N is not a hard N sound at the end. Why is this tricky? It's French. In French, many letters are silent or have different sounds than they do in English. The spelling Louis often makes English speakers want to pronounce the S at the end, and the Vuitton part looks nothing like how it's said. Here are a couple of examples. She saved up for months to buy a Louis Vuitton handbag. That new store downtown only sells products from Louis Vuitton. Practice tips and common mistakes. A lot of people pronounce it with a hard S at the end of Louis, like Louis. Don't do that. Think of the name Louis, not Louis. A little history of Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton was a French luggage maker who started his own company in Paris in 1854. He became famous for making flat-top trunks that were easier to stack than the rounded ones common at the time. His brand grew into one of the most famous luxury fashion houses in the world, known for its high-end handbags, leather goods, and clothing. You've got this. So, remember, it's Louis Vuitton. Getting this right will make you sound so much more confident and natural, especially when talking about fashion or luxury brands. If this one was tricky, the next one might surprise you even more. Let me know in the comments if you got this one right. Hit that like button and share this video with a friend who might need it. Keep practicing, you're doing awesome. See you in the next one.